How to add bullet points in Excel. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys two different ways where you can add bullet points in Excel. I do have one additional method, but that's only applicable to Windows users. For Mac, for some reason, the formulas are not the same, and I couldn't seem to find the Mac formula for a bullet point. Now, the way to do this is either by clicking on any particular cell where you want to add a bullet point. Once you do that, you're going to click on the top Insert tab. Once you click on the Insert tab, you will see symbols on the right. So in Symbols, you're going to select the bullet point symbol. And you guys can see for certain devices, your insert tools are going to look a bit different. So if you're a Mac user, you can go into the Insert tab on your top and you will see Object, 3D models, icons, shapes, and symbols. You can go on ahead and select the relevant icon or symbol and add it over here. The second most easiest way to add the bullet point or a simple bullet point onto a Mac device in your Excel sheet is going to be to select the cell and then press option 8. And I'm just going to click on option 8 and a bullet point will appear. Once you do that, you can just drag this and have as many bullet points as you want. And if you press it again and again on the same particular cell like I have over here, it just, adds all those bullets all together. And then you can type in your data like so. Now, if you are on a different device, you can use the char formula. So just type in is equals to, then type in char, do a bracket, and type in 149. Once you do that, you're going to type in the rest of your text in the form of and. Whatever you want to type, you can type that out. But this is what the icon is going to look like on a Mac device. It's not going to be a bullet point, so I don't recommend it for people that are looking for bullet points, but on other devices, it is going to show up as a bullet point. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.